Hello, and welcome to our guide on how to make money on Amazon. Today, we'll be sharing some effective strategies to help you turn your passion for selling products on Amazon into a profitable business. 1. Identify your niches and products. Start by finding products that you're passionate about and have knowledge in. Then, research the market and identify potential niches that you can sell into. 2. Create high-quality content. The foundation of any successful online business is good content. Before you start selling products, invest time in creating valuable and informative content that will help your audience learn about your niche. 3. Build an optimized website. Design a visually appealing and user-friendly website that showcases your products and offers all the information that your potential customers need. Make sure your website is mobile responsive and optimized for search engines. 4. Set competitive prices. Research your competition and set prices that are competitive while still allowing you to make a profit. Remember to offer value to your customers and avoid overpricing your products. 5. Promote your products effectively. Use various marketing channels to promote your products and reach your target audience. These can include social media, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. 6. Provide excellent customer service. Consistently respond to customer inquiries, address concerns, and provide timely feedback. This will help build trust and encourage repeat business. 7. Analyze and optimize your strategies. Regularly review your performance and make necessary adjustments to your strategies to optimize your results. Stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in the Amazon marketing industry. In conclusion, making money on Amazon involves a combination of identifying the right products, creating high-quality content, building a strong online presence, setting competitive prices, promoting effectively, and providing excellent customer service. With dedication and persistence, you can build a successful Amazon business.